Today marks a historic moment in the history of Portmore as we gather under the radiant Jamaican sun, not just to inaugurate a park, but to witness the birth of an oasis. Your key to your new house. We want to give this opportunity to all Jamaicans who are in need of it. So what we are planning to do is to re-establish a partnership with Food for the Poor. One, two, three. This is not just building a road. This is about Jamaica achieving its economic and political independence. This is about liberating the people.
There are 7 major rural water systems that this government will undertake in major rural towns that have suffered the way Brownstown has suffered.
A commitment was made to provide you with water, and we are turning on your water. Today is a great day as we gather to break ground for this significant project, the Rio Cobre Water Supply System Upgrade.
The government of Jamaica is committed to making sure all Jamaicans have access to the services they want in the most convenient way for them.
Jamaica is in the top tier of countries in the world when it comes on to road network.
An allocation for this first phase of the project.
We're doing this small urban center, 6.68 acres of land. We embarked on the international competitive bidding process earlier this year, which saw 5 bidders submitting proposals for 4 construction packages under the Spark project. It's an impressive sight to behold, to see a road being striped, freshly done in this project. Improvement, creating new value in our road network. And so that is what the Spark program is designed to do. The government is now announcing a further $2 billion Jamaican dollars to be spent on our main road network for patching and reinstating the roads to drivable condition.